Oh, welcome to the workshop. Today we're going to look at sharpening a very old saw that I've had for more than 30 years. This is the little beauty. It's a little bit worn around the edges. It's got a bit of a cracked handle, which I'm not going to deal with at the moment. I just want to be concerned with sharpening the actual saw because it is pretty blunt now. All the teeth are good. I've already checked for the line of the teeth along, and they're all pretty even. I've looked after the saw, but I've never sharpened it. I think I might have had it sharpened by a professional sharper some 20 odd, maybe 30 years ago, because I always remember there being a shop nearby in Brighton where I live that used to do this thing, and I think that was the last time this was sharpened, but I certainly haven't done it since. But it's in good condition, but it doesn't do its job anymore. I'll demonstrate that for you now. Here's a piece of wood. I've always sawn into it here, but I'll start a new cut. It's hard work. Basically, it's blunt. Even though I can feel a bit of pointing on there, the saw is blunt. The set of it doesn't feel too bad. There is still a set all the way down. I can feel that all the way down. So we're going to sharpen this, and I finally got myself a saw file. So I'm going to give that a go today. Check the set of it, see whether it needs doing again, which I don't think it does, to be quite honest. I think it's fine, but we're definitely going to sharpen this saw to see how well we can get it to saw. So bear with me while I get the saw set up for noise. To me, it doesn't look like it's... I need a handle on it. Okay, carrying on. Fingers go dead. Only a few more inches to go. There we have it. One very sharpened saw, and that is bloody sharp. One very sharp saw. That is sharp. That was done with absolute ease. So as the demonstration just showed, one incredibly sharp saw now, because that just went through that wood like butter. So I can go back to using my nice rip saw again. Beautifully held lights by my wifey. Thank you very much.